Step 1. Eligibility requirements. In Illinois, to legally work as a security guard, you must hold a PERC or Permanent Employment Registration Card issued by the Illinois Department of Financial and Professional Regulation, IDFPR. To qualify, you must be at least 18, be legally authorized to work in the U.S., pass a criminal background check, provide valid photo ID, and your social security number. You don't need to have your PERC before taking the 20-hour basic training course, but you must have your PERC approved, meaning your fingerprints and background have cleared before you can be employed as a guard. Illinois law allows an agency to employ you in a temporary capacity while your PERC is pending, but only if your employer has submitted your full application, including fingerprints and fees, verified through the Illinois State Police that you have no criminal record, and keeps a roster of pending applicants. The Illinois PERC is portable. It belongs to you, not your employer. Once you're approved, you can work for any licensed security agency in the state without reapplying, as long as your PERC remains active and valid. Step 2. Complete the required training. Illinois requires a 20-hour basic unarmed security course approved by the IDFPR. This course covers topics like criminal law, emergency procedures, observation and reporting, and more. Training can be taken online or in person, but it must come from a state-approved provider. Costs usually range from $90 to $120 depending on the school. When you finish, you'll receive a certificate of completion, digital or physical, which you'll submit later with your PERC application. Step 3. Once training is complete, keep your proof of completion. Illinois does not require a separate state exam. The assessment built into your 20-hour training fulfills that requirement. You'll attach your training certificate when submitting your PERC application, along with fingerprint and ID verification. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete your fingerprinting and background check. Illinois requires fingerprints from an approved vendor, usually through the Illinois State Police or a licensed third-party provider. Your prints must be submitted within 60 days of filing your PERC application. The results go directly to IDFPR and are used to confirm eligibility. The fee generally runs between $30 and $70 depending on the vendor. Step 5. Submit your PERC application to IDFPR either online or by mail. You'll include your proof of your 20-hour training, fingerprint background clearance, valid photo ID, and social security number, and an application fee of $55. Once approved, IDFPR will issue your PERC, which is valid for 3 years before renewal. This process has a lot of moving parts, so I made a quick PDF checklist with every step, link, and cost in one spot. You can grab it on my Etsy or Beacon's pages here. Step 6. Let's break down the cost for getting licensed in Illinois. The 20-hour training is $90 to $120. Fingerprinting and background check, $30 to $70. PERC application fee is $55. The estimated total is $175 to $250. And for perspective, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, security guards in Illinois earn an average of $18.50 per hour, or about $38,630 per year. Step 7. Once approved, IDFPR will issue your PERC card. It may be delivered physically, digitally, or both. Applicants can download or print their license directly from the online portal once approved. Processing time usually takes 6 to 8 weeks. If your employer properly filed your PERC application, you might have already been working in a temporary capacity while waiting for approval, but only under that employer. Once your PERC is issued, you can work for any licensed security agency statewide. Step 8. Renew your PERC every 3 years. IDFPR usually sends a renewal notice about 90 days before your license expires. Renewal involves a fee and updated information. Step 9. Now that you're certified, it's time to get to work. Search job boards like Indeed. Join r/GuardGuides on Reddit for information and discussion with other guards. For tools to help you stand out from the crowd, there are customizable resumes to exam study aids available on my Beacons and Etsy, linked below in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.